Make a great choice today with the 2017 Chevy Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, security system, cruise control, power door locks. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.